Homesickness. It's perfectly normal. It just means you're human. However, it can be difficult to deal with. Homesickness can have an effect on you when you least expect it. It can have a very negative impact on your mental health. It can leave you feeling low, sad, a bit lonely, extremely tired, secluded almost, panicky, and can even lead to more serious conditions such as anxiety and depression. There are many things you can do when homesickness really hits you. Here are some things you can do to make yourself feel happy. Listen to music. There's been many times when I have felt down and music has managed to cheer me up and put me in such a good mood. It really can have a positive effect on how you're feeling. Another thing is reading. I have found that by reading books, I get lost in it and I end up in a different dimension and I tend to forget about reality, and that can really help to calm you down when you're suffering. Surrounding yourself with your friends is a must. Homesickness can leave you feeling lonely and secluded, but making sure you have people around you that make you laugh and you have a good time with will take your mind off everything, and it will make you see all of the positives and that you have your own little life going on. Invite your family over, get them down to where you are, walk them around the city that you're in, show them your flat, show them your friends, get them involved in the life that you're trying to live and make for yourself. Having them involved really will feel like you're growing up. Give yourself a little bit of TLC. Don't be so hard on yourself. Homesickness is normal and it does get easier over time. Go out and treat yourself, look after yourself, pamper yourself. Don't be so critical of yourself all of the time. Everyone feels exactly the same way. You are not alone. Cooking is another great way to escape. I love being in the kitchen and mixing weird and wonderful things. I've been told that I eat the weirdest of combinations, but cooking really will take your mind off things. Get a couple of cookbooks, try some new things, and then ring up and be like, look what I made today, and tell them all about it, and they will be so proud of you, because trust me, moving away to uni and trying to cook for yourself isn't sometimes the easiest of things. I cope with my homesickness by making sure that I ring home at least every other day. Having a catch up and seeing what they're up to and letting them know what you're up to, hearing their voice. And I try to tell myself that it is normal and I'm just growing up. And also that my parents had to go through exactly the same thing when they left home. I've just finished third year and I can promise you it does get so much easier, and you do create your own little life. You will get there, I promise. It just takes a bit of time and a bit of getting used to. And remember, there's always someone who can help and always someone who is in the same boat. So whenever homesickness hits you and you're feeling down, be sure to try out my tips, and remember, you got this.